Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a business LinkedIn account. Start by opening LinkedIn in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your personal account because you need a personal profile to create a business page. Once you are inside your account, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see an icon that looks like a grid with 9 small squares. This is called the For Business menu. Click on it to open a drop-down list of options. Scroll down in that menu until you find the option that says Create a Company Page. Click on it. You will now see different page types. Choose the one that fits your goal. If you are building a page for a business, select Company. If you want to highlight a sub-brand, choose Showcase Page. If your organization is a school or university, choose Educational Institution. Next, you will be asked to fill in your business details. Type your company name carefully. Then create a public URL for your page. This should be simple and match your business name if possible. Add your website link, select your industry, choose your company size, and pick the organization type. Now upload your company logo. Make sure the image is clear and properly sized. Then write a short tagline that explains what your business does. Finally, confirm that you are authorized to represent the company by checking the box. Click the Create Page button to finish the process. Your business page is now ready. You can start adding more details, posting updates, and building your presence. Thanks for watching.